Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Hublot Big Bang integrated time only. It might be time only, but it's quite of a mouthful. So let's unpack it. It is part of the Big Bang line. It has an integrated bracelet, meaning you won't be swapping it for a leather or rubber strap, and time only means it's a three-hander with a date complication. Stylistically, it's as Gerald Genta as it gets, with a whiff of both AP's Royal Oak and Patek's Nautilus. But it's refreshing to see a Hublot with a regular, non-transparent dial, and the choice of materials used to build the watch and bracelet is interesting. There is no steel version, only titanium, ceramic, and gold. While it might be called the Big Bang, but the size is modest, just 38 millimeters in diameter. Due to an integrated bracelet, it wears bigger than that, but it is manageable even for moderate wrists, say 16 centimeters of circumference. And it's slim, just 9.4 millimeters thick. Inside, there is an in-house caliber MHUB 1115, but with 48 hours of power reserve, there's nothing really worth writing home about it. At this price point, no watch manufacturer uses a generic movement, but one could expect more from a caliber designed in-house. Speaking of the price, it is €13,600 for titanium and €15,900 for ceramic. Hublot is a polarizing brand. It feels like either you love it or hate it. But this small, sleek watch looks nothing like the loud Big Bangs from the past, while being considerably cheaper than stainless steel, Royal Oak, or Nautilus. At HHN, we haven't seen that one coming, and it's a pleasant surprise.